Hey guys, as you guys know, I'm not there again today, but pretty much today's lesson and what we're going to be doing is pretty much what we did on Friday. We're going to go over the homework, go through the lesson, do some classwork, check your answers on the classwork, and then what will happen is you guys will then get started on the homework itself. So, from this past Friday, you guys' homework was on page 560 to 561, numbers 1 through 13. I'm going to go through the answers right now. At any time that you guys need to pause the YouTube video, pause it on your own, but I will go through the answers fairly quickly. So, you guys had to do numbers 1 through 13, and these are the answers for numbers 1 through 8. If you have any questions on the homework itself, you may want to hold off to ask me tomorrow, Tuesday, or you guys can ask your neighbors how to do this. I prefer that you guys ask your neighbors so that you guys are prepared for anything that might occur tomorrow. Now these are the answers up to number 11. Yes, the problems for number 10 and 11 are very wordy, but I believe that you guys could have done it. Now these are the answers up to number 13. Again, if you have any questions, you may want to ask your neighbors. We'll hold off until I come back tomorrow. Okay, so today's lesson is actually a very short lesson. It's an 11.8, surface area of a sphere. I'll give you guys a couple seconds to write this topic into your notebooks, but it's fairly a short lesson. Should take you about half a page long, at most. What will take up the most room is actually the classwork, which is actually a half sheet, which should be in a green folder. I'm sorry from Friday that you guys weren't able to find it on Friday, but just in case the substitute teacher can't find it, I will also attach it to this uh, on Edmodo. So, 11.8, surface area of a sphere. A couple things that I wanted to do before I go into the lesson is review certain parts of a sphere. You guys should remember that a huge thing in a sphere is the radius. It's very important, especially in calculating the volume of a sphere. What you should also remember is the thing that's called the great circle. Another name for the great circle is the meridian. And if you guys don't recall, I'm going to rate it pretty much what it says in the bottom. The great circle of a sphere is the biggest circle that can be drawn on the surface area of a sphere itself. That's very important for today's lesson. So, to derive the surface area of a sphere, we need to see the relationship of the area of the great circle of a sphere and its surface area. So this part of the lesson is pretty short. What I want you guys to do now is go ahead and click on the next link or the second video that I've posted on Edmodo.